Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you for your support. It means so much to me, like always. Today's video is gonna be a super easy, simple eyeshadow tutorial. This is gonna be 2 shadows, just a couple steps, very simple and very fast. So hopefully this is something that a lot of you can use. If you are a true beginner and you do not have any eyeshadow palettes, look in your arsenal, see what you've got. Do you have bronzer? Do you have highlight? Do you have blush? These are things that are safe to use around the eye area, so they can double as an eyeshadow. Get your shadows ready, get your brushes ready, and let's jump right in. Wait, really quick before we do that, please remember, if you like me, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe, hit that bell, and that is gonna send you notifications whenever I post new content. Now, let's really jump right in for real this time. All right, welcome. So we are going to need just a couple of tools for this tutorial. We're gonna need our eyeshadow palette, which I have right here, and we're going to need our makeup brushes. I'm using 2 brushes today. This brush is dirty. Long story short, I filmed this tutorial previously. I went to edit it and realized the lighting was horrible. Awful. My camera was off. Like, I don't know what was going on, but there's just no way that I could save the footage and make it useful. So here I am refilming. It is what it is. So we're gonna need 2 shadow brushes, a softer, fluffier brush for blending and buffing, and then a packing brush. And if you don't have a packing brush, you can use a finger to apply the shimmer. I'm using a packing brush because I want to be a little bit more precise about where I'm putting it, but a finger works just fine, and it actually gives a nice diffused look, so it will still work out. So here we go. Step 1, we are going to take our fluffy brush and dip into your matte shade. So whatever that is for you, it does not have to be the same color story that I'm using today. I am gonna go in with this soft brown in the Juvia's Place palette. I really love this. And I am going to place this in the crease. So just get right in there, don't be afraid, and start with our windshield wiping motion back and forth. Now, this is not a really dramatic look. This is just really simple, quick and easy. So I don't want to do anything too crazy. I'm keeping it around the crease, buffing around. You can bring it up a little bit if you so choose, or you can keep it lower in the crease. And then I'm just kind of doing a soft flick out towards the end and bringing it down to the corner, just to fill in that area. I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side, bringing that shadow, the matte, right into the crease, and start buffing that all around. If you stick with that windshield wiping motion, it's gonna give you a nice blend. Just keep on hanging in there. If it's taking a minute, let it take a minute. If you're noticing some splotchiness, get a little bit more product, go back in. Not bringing it really far down onto my lid because we're gonna put that shimmer down. Okay, great, so here we are. I've got my matte shade on, as you can see, in the crease. I buffed it out, brought it up just a little bit, but not too much. Step 2, we are gonna take either our finger, if you so choose, or a packing brush if you have one. I'm actually going to use the clean side of my brush and dip into this shimmer right here. But like I said, any shimmer is fine. You choose. What is your color story gonna be today? So I'm just packing that onto the brush and applying it to the lid area. So that is everything below the crease. This method can be used for any color. If you have a shimmer and a matte that you like, pop it on and live your best fantasy. I'm actually gonna go in with a finger to get a little more out of that shimmer. And I am bringing it across the whole lid, all the way out to the outer corner and in that inner corner. Fabulous. I'm gonna take my pinky, dip into the same shimmer, and bring that down for the inner corner highlight. I'm gonna dip into that same matte and apply that on the under eye. All right. Now I'm just doing a little bit of fine tuning. I'm taking that matte shade with my brush and just blending over where the shimmer and the matte meet, just to make it nice and seamless. Okay, all done with our shadows, so that is it. Just 3 simple steps. Apply your matte in the crease, apply your shimmer to the lid, and then apply your matte to the under eye. Now, we're gonna go in with a mascara of your choice. I am using the Maybelline New York Falsies Lash Lift. I just recently picked this up and I have been enjoying it. It's waterproof, which is great for anybody out there who cries a lot like I do. If you wanna apply a liner, you could totally apply liner. You could definitely apply false lashes if you so choose. I'm just keeping it very simple and going in with mascara. 2 shadows, 5 minutes, if that, and you are done. I'm gonna let that dry for a second and then I'll apply mascara to the bottom lashes. So there we have it, friends. That is my super quick and simple eyeshadow tutorial. Just 2 shades, 3 steps, and we are done. I really wanted to share something with you guys that is great for just the everyday busy person who doesn't have a lot of time in the mornings to spend getting ready. So this is something that you could do with a full face. You could just moisturize your skin and do maybe a little brow, a little eye, and call it a day. But yeah, I wanted to share something with you that was quick, that was easy, and that's really versatile. So you guys, be sure to comment below if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help in any way that I can. Also, please forgive my crazy hair. Like I told you, I tried to film this video the other day and my hair was natural, it was curly, it was looking great, and that just didn't work out. And so today I'm on day 4 hair. It just needed to go up into a bun, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy. I hope that this is something that you can use. Remember, if you like me, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I am Carissa, and I will see you guys next time.